Hello students. Next example for anti-addition reaction, that is cis-2-butene. Cis-2-butene, it is also undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. In cis-2-butene react with bromine in the presence of CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. It is a non-polar solvent. So generally cis-2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction and it forms a racemic compound. It forms a racemic mixture. So here now cis-2-butene, the cis-2-butene, why? Because of two methyl groups on same side. This is cis compound. Cis-2-butene will undergoes halogenation. So here two bromines are there. The two bromines will attack opposite to each other. That means anti-addition reaction. Two bromines will attack opposite side. So that is two bromines will attack opposite to each other. So we can write that product, that is CH3. This one bromine will attack right hand side and another bromine will attack left hand side. These two bromines will attack opposite to each other. It is called anti-addition reaction. It is also chiral center. It is also one chiral center. Here in this compound two chiral centers are present. It is a Fischer projection formula. This Fischer projection structure, that is two chiral centers are there. One bromine present on right hand side, one bromine present on left hand side. These both are opposite to each other. It is a anti-addition reaction. And anti-addition reaction form a racemic mixture. These and one more compound, it exhibits enantiomer. It exhibits mirror images to each other. It exhibits mirror images. So we can write that CH3. Here this bromine present on right hand side, this bromine mirror image to each other, and Br here and He here. Sorry, this CH3. This is dextro or positive and this is leo or negative. So these both are mirror images to each other. So in anti-addition reaction, simply remember student, cis-2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction. It forms a racemic mixture. These both are enantiomers. Why? Because these both are mirror images to each other. This in this first carbon, this first second carbon, the second chiral center, the third chiral center. So this second carbon is chiral carbon. This chiral carbon having four different groups are there: one bromine, one methyl group, one hydrogen, and complete this group. This in this second carbon having bromine present on in the first structure, this second structure. In first structure, bromine present on right hand side. In second structure, bromine present on left hand side. These both are mirror images to each other. But in the second compound, in third chiral carbon, this bromine present on left hand side, and in this compound second structure, bromine present on right hand side. Since both are mirror images to each other, so that's why these both compounds are enantiomers. Cis-2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction. It forms a racemic mixture. Student, simple tricks I will give. Simple trick, student. Cis-2-butene, that is cis compound, CAR. I will give simple trick, student. CAR, cis compound will undergoes A for anti-addition, R for racemic mixture. Simply remember student. Simply remember student. Cis-2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction. C for cis compound, A for anti, R means racemic mixture. Cis compound will undergoes anti-addition reaction to form a anti-addition reaction of that form a racemic mixture. This is a simple trick, student. Cis-2-butene. Now take the trans-2-butene. It is a trans compound. In trans-2-butene react with bromine in the presence of CCl4. In trans-2-butene, two bromines will attack the same side. If you take the trans compound, very most important, student, if you take the trans compound, bromination in the presence of CCl4, these two bromines will attack on same side. So we can write here CH3, one bromine here, Br also here. So two bromines will attack same side. In trans-2-butene, in trans compound, on bromination in the presence of CCl4, two bromines will attack same side, and two bromines are present on left hand side. We can write CH3, Br H and BRH. But here these both are mirror images are not these, but these both are mirror images. These both are mirror images. That is not correct way. Why? Because of it is plane of symmetry is present. It is plane of symmetry. It is plane of symmetry. So it is plane of symmetry compound according to the stereochemistry. It is above the plane same group and below the group same, below the plane also same group. So it exhibits, that is this compound exhibits plane of symmetry. The exhibit plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry compound always do not exhibit optical isomerism. So this compound do not exhibit optical isomerism. So this compound will go undergoes, this compound will give meso form, meso compound. This trans 2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction. It forms a meso compound. This is not enantiomers, and as it is not enantiomers. Why? Because it is not, this compound is optically inactive. This compound is optically inactive. Why? Because of due to the presence of plane of symmetry. This compound having plane of symmetry is there. So that's why this plane of symmetry compound always optically inactive according to the stereochemistry. It is very most important, student. So this trans 2-butene will undergoes bromination in the presence of CCl4 to form a anti-addition reaction, and after that forms a after that meso compound will be formed. So it is very most important, student. Once again, student, cis 2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction. It forms a racemic mixture. But in trans 2-butene will undergoes anti-addition reaction to form a meso compound. It is very most important, sir. Cis 2-butene, cis compound will give CAR car. Cis compound will give CAR car, means that is cis compound undergoes anti-addition reaction to form a racemic mixture. But in trans compound will undergoes anti-addition reaction to form a meso compound. This is a tram. This is a car, CAR car. This is a tram. Tram means that is trans compound will undergoes anti-addition reaction to form a M means meso compound. This is a simple trick, students. So these are the anti-addition reaction in alkene, that is cis 2-butene and trans 2-butene, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.